Whether you're looking to ditch the 9-to-5 grind or just want to explore more flexible work options, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into a list of companies where you can directly apply for freelance work. No middleman, no job boards, just you and the opportunity. From creative gigs to tech projects, these platforms have tons of potential for freelancers at all levels. So, if you're ready to start your next freelance adventure, make sure to stick around till the end. Let's get started. TOLOKA. TOLOKA is a crowdsourcing platform that offers a variety of tasks, including data labeling, image annotation, and content moderation. It has a growing user base and provides opportunities for contributors worldwide. NEEVO. NEEVO offers tasks related to AI and machine learning data, such as data collection and annotation. It's accessible via mobile browsers and provides opportunities for contributors worldwide. REMOTAKS. REMOTAKS specializes in tasks like image and video annotation, categorization, and transcription. It's known for its unique tasks, such as LiDAR annotation for training self-driving car systems. CLICKWORKER. CLICKWORKER is a popular platform offering microtasks like data categorization, text creation, and web research. It has a substantial global presence and a diverse range of tasks. WELOCALIZE. WELOCALIZE is a global organization specializing in translation and localization services. It offers freelance opportunities in translation, transcreation, copywriting, and search engine evaluation. DATAFORCE by TransPerfect. DATAFORCE focuses on data annotation and collection projects to support AI and machine learning initiatives. It offers various freelance opportunities, including data entry, transcription, and linguistic annotation. CROWDGEN by Appen. CROWDGEN is a division of Appen that engages independent contractors for various AI training projects. It offers project-based roles, such as language model localization and question generation specialists. ONEFORMA by Scientific. ONEFORMA provides a variety of microtasks, including data collection, transcription, and annotation. It's known for consistent work availability and competitive pay rates. TELUS Digital. TELUS Digital offers a range of projects, from data collection to search engine evaluation. It's known for its rigorous recruitment process and enterprise-grade approach. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTURK. MTURK is a well-established platform offering microtasks such as data validation, content moderation, and survey participation. It's widely recognized and has a large user base. How to apply and get accepted. Sign up directly on their official websites. Links are provided in the description. Complete your profile. Some companies require ID verification. Take qualification tests like search evaluation tests for Appen and TELUS. Stay active. Some platforms assign work based on availability. When considering these platforms, it's essential to research each one thoroughly, understand the nature of the tasks, and assess whether they align with your skills and income expectations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.